How to replace the grill lighter. Charbroil Classic. Twist this. And we'll loosen this. Step is just to pull off each of these knobs. Loosen each of these screws that will. Now you can remove one of these. This box is retaining the unit because we've disconnected this manifold. So you can maneuver the bracket just enough so that you could get it off. So we pushed the manifold in and up, and now underneath we're going to just rotate it around and out. So we've gently pulled this out and rotated it, and we could disconnect the old leads. Lift off the grates. Remove these. Igniter is clipped on. Unclip it. We have a igniter that we could pull straight out and through. We've disconnected the wire. The kit link in the description below has a small clip for outer burner. The one has the bigger clip that's for this inner burner. You just slide this under, find the same spot, and push, and it should click right in place. And so you might need to bend these tabs or adjust to get it to click on and hold by itself. But notice that we have the new igniter held underneath the second burner. We fed both ignition leads, one from this side and then another from the back burner, out to here, and we'll connect them to our box before we install this. If you don't have them plugged in, see a potential jump between these two contact points. So to get a spark, both of these need to be replaced. The top off, because that'll screw it in, and we'll mount the new igniter like this in the holder. Replace just like we had before. Notice that this kit is actually a lower diameter than the original. So there's a backing washer that you could put on to get a good seal. So with the washer on, we could spin on the new nut, and that should hold the unit in place. Crescent wrench. AAA in. Nice and tight. All these, they only go one way to grip the screws and reinstall the knobs. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.